This is a pack of a knife block set from KitchenAid. This pack includes a total of 14 pieces. They are all printed right here on the pack. The storage block is also included. The material here is rubber with a natural wood finish on top. This also has a built-in sharpener. This keeps your knife sharp and ready for use. They come nicely packed. The material here is alloy steel and it looks to be very well constructed. The handle material is plastic. Each comes with an Eastern style handle and the grip feels comfortable. These tip protectors are also included. This set is designed for everyday preparations, including slicing, cutting, chopping, and mincing. Bigger knives have both edge protectors and tip protectors. These knives are dishwasher safe. Use the top rack though. However, hand washing is recommended. This compact and modern design looks great in the kitchen. Maintaining and storing is extremely easy. Overall, this knife block set is nicely designed, very well constructed, works great, and this pack is highly recommended.